Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to discuss about the 4 basic rules of integration. But before continuing to the topic, kindly click on the like and subscribe button. If you do not want to click on the like, you can just click on the dislike button. It's okay. These are the 4 basic rules of integration. If we ignore the exponential and logarithmic and trigonometric functions, then these are the very basic rules of integration. Number one is power rule, then we have constant rule, then we have sum and difference rule, and then we have constant multiple rule. We will explain them one by one with examples. Now, what is the power rule? According to power rule, if we have a function like x power n and we want to take the integral of this x power n, then the solution of this will be equal to x power n plus 1. We will add 1 with this n, and then we will divide this whole term x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and in the end we will just add plus c, which represent a constant, and after every integral term we add this plus c. Now for example, if we have a function like x power 3 and we want to take the integration of this x power 3, then we can write it as integral x power 3 dx. The dx here represents that the integration is with respect to x. Now the solution of this will be, we will write x power 3 plus 1, we will add this 1 with the power of this x, this will become 3 plus 1, and then we will divide this whole term x power 3 plus 1 by this 3 plus 1. So we have x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, and then we write the integral constant, which is plus c. Now when we add 3 with 1, we will have x power 4, and similarly we have x power 4 divided by 4, and in the end we just write here this c. So this is the solution of this x cube. Now what if we have x power 1 over 2? So we apply the same rule to the integration of this term. Now let's take the integral of this x power 1 over 2 with respect to x. We just write here x power 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1, and taking LCM of this 1 over 2 plus 1, we will get the result x power 3 by 2. Similarly, dividing this whole term by 3 by 2, and this 2 will go to the upside, so we'll have 2 by 3 into x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Now let's discuss about the constant rule, or we can say the constant multiple rule. We have a constant number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or any number, then the integral of this will be the constant term. We do not take the integral of constant term, we just write it outside this integral term, and when we write the term like integral dx, then the solution of this is just x. So we have kx plus, and plus c is the integration constant. Now for example, we want to take the integral of 5. When we take the integral of 5, we just write it outside this integral term, and we write it like this. And when we take the integral, we write k dot x. This is the with respect to x, so we get the answer x. So the solution of this is integration of 5 is kx plus c, and plus c here is the integration constant. Now what if we have 3x squared dx? Again here this 3 is constant, so we write it outside this integral term, and we take the integral of this x. Now again here we apply the power rule, and according to the power rule, this will become integral of x squared into dx is equal to x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, and this 3 is the constant we just wrote outside the integral term. So the result of this will be x power 2 plus 1 is equal to x power 3, and 2 plus 1 becomes 3, dividing 3 by 3, this will cancel out, and we will have x cube plus c, the final result. Now the sum and difference rule. According to sum and difference rule, if we have two functions like fx and gx, and they are in addition with one another or in subtraction with one another, then according to the sum and difference rule, we first take integral of this first term, then we take integral of the second term, and if the sign is plus here, then we write plus, and if the sign is minus, then we write minus. Now let's suppose we have a function like x squared plus 3x and we want to take the integral of this function. Then first we will take the integral of this first term like this, integral x squared dx. Then we write plus, this 3 is constant, so we write this out of this integral and we just take the integral of this x. So we have plus 3 integral x dx. And now applying the power rule here, this will become x power 3 divided by 3, x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, this becomes, and in this second term 3 is constant, so we just write 3 here again, and when we take the integral of this x, the power is 1, so we add 1 with this, x power 1 plus 1 and divided by 1 plus 1. So the solution is this will become x power 3 divided by 3 plus x squared divided by 2. And in the end, we just write plus c, which is an integral constant. That's it. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.